What's up, everyone? Today we're going to do something that is not number theory anymore, because we have already done number theory problems for like a few days already. So let's take a break from it, and we're going to step back and going to look at a problem. And well, for most people it will be a high school algebra problem, and maybe for some people it will be just a middle school algebra problem. Anyway, so we have a system of equations which says 2x plus y plus z equals 7. And then we have x plus 2y plus z equals 8. And the third equation says x plus y plus 2z equals 9. So I bet I shouldn't really say it this way, but I believe most of the teachers may not teach you a trick. Usually when we see these kinds of problems, teachers would just tell us to either do substitution or elimination, so that we will be able to get it down one step by step, meaning that we will get rid of a variable at a time. But in this video, I'm going to teach you guys a trick that doesn't always work, but it will work in some special problems or with a particular setup. So here we go. First, of course, I already labeled the equations in numbers 1, 2, and 3. Here is our first step. First step, we're going to add all three equations together. Meaning we're going to add the left-hand side together and add the right-hand side together individually to get the following. On the left-hand side, we now have 2x, 3x, 4x. So we add all the x's together, we get 4 copies of x. Plus, we have 1 plus 2 plus 1 give us 4 copies of y. Plus, again, 4 copies of z, which is equal to the right-hand side. And the right-hand side becomes 7 plus 8 plus 9, which is 24. Why do we want to do this? Well, if we look at our new expression here, we can factor out the left-hand side because they all have a common factor 4. So, in other words, we can just divide the left-hand side by 4 to get x plus y plus z, which is equal to now the right-hand side. Don't forget we also need to divide by 4 to get 24 over 4, which is 6. And let's call this our equation 4. So why do we want to do this? Now we can use equation 4 to do a comparison between the initial equations we start off, so that we can quickly get the solution for each variable. Again, it only works in the particular setup, and in this setup we'll be able to do it. Let's see what we get. So we're going to take the first equation and subtract with the fourth equation that we just got. That will give us, well, we have 2x minus x, giving us only 1 copy of x left. Now y is going to subtract with y. They're going to cancel out with each other. Similar for the z's. We have here minus here, so that we will have no copies. Now on the right hand side, of course, we are doing the subtraction. We have 7 minus 6 giving us 1. Ta-da! We just get the solution for x already with only 2 steps. Similarly, if we take the second equation and then subtract with the fourth equation, the x terms would cancel out, the z terms would cancel out as well. The only thing that's remaining will be the y term. We have 2y minus 1y, giving us exactly 1 copy of y, which means we can now find y immediately. So on the right hand side, we have 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2. last but not least, we're going to take the third equation, subtract with the fourth equation, so that the x term and the y term will cancel out, and we end up with 2z minus 1z, which is just z, equals the right hand side, 9 minus 6, giving us 3. And therefore, we have the solution. X equals 1, y equals 2, z equals 3 as our answer. So instead of doing substitution or elimination, we still use elimination in some sense, but we actually use some special trick in this particular problem so that we can end up with the solution in a few steps and we can just get it a lot faster. Okay, pretty cool, huh? I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, that's it. If you think this video is cool, please don't forget to like and share it to your friends so that they can also see this trick here. Also, if you want to watch or find more of my videos, go to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification so that if I have any new videos, you won't miss it either. I will see you guys next time.